Yo, what's up guys? Here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance, showing you how to install a drive shaft safety loop. I recommend it on any of your cars. It will save you in the end. So let me show you what I'm doing right here. Give you a couple updates on the coyote swap project. So this is a drive shaft safety loop I'm going with. It's a fairly easy install. You see I got the marker. I already have it marked up, but you see the holes. So basically what you really want to do is you take your drive shaft safety loop. It pretty much only goes on, one way. You got it going on. You put it up there like that. However you feel comfortable. And you take your marker and you mark all 8 holes. So I got all 8 holes marked already, and I drilled them out with this bit. Drilled them out with this bit, you see. And now I'm gonna step bit it and make sure this nut bolt fit through the hole. Cut that out. Tighten the drill up. And then perfect. All right, so as you can see, bolt goes through the hole, and we'll be able to mount that. We'll be able to mount the drive shaft safety loop. We got the holes on this side and the holes over there. And that's how you pretty much install the drive shaft safety loop. You put these bolts through here, you go through your floor, and then you put the nut on top, and then squeeze them together. But there you have it. Hope you like some detailed work on the drive shaft safety loop. Always could know how to install something, or if you got questions, ask. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys later.